morning to all. I am Pachimal from GK Jain School. Today I am going to teach some vocabulary for 3rd standard unit 3. Students, today we are going to see some vocabulary. First one is volcano. What is volcano? See this picture, students. This is a volcano. A mountain with a hole at the top through which steam, hot, melted rock, fire, etc. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of the planetary most object such as Earth that allows hot lava, volcano ash and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. Earth's volcanoes occur because its crust is broken into 17 major rigid tectonic plates that float on a hotter, softer layer in its mantle. What is the next vocabulary? Yes, desert. What is desert? See this picture, students. This is a desert. Already we know about the desert in the previous lesson, isn't it? Yes. A large area of land usually covered with sand that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. A desert is a barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs and consequently living condition are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface of the ground to the process of denudation. What is the next one? Oasis. See this picture, students. A place in the desert. A place in the desert where there is water and where plants grow. See this picture? See this picture, students. In the desert, a small amount of plants grow in the water. It's called oasis. A small fertile or green area in a desert region usually having a spring or well. Something serving as a refuge's relief or pleasant change from what is usual, annoying, difficult, etc. See this picture, students. In the desert, there is small amount of water is there, no? It's called oasis. What is the next one? Plain. See this picture, students. Plain is a large area of flat land. Large area of flat land with few trees. A large area of flat land with few trees are called plains. Plains are one of the major landforms or type of land on earth. They cover more than 1/3 of the world's land area. Students, plains cover more than 1/3 of the world's land area. What is the next one? Yes, island. What is the next one? Island. See this picture, students. A piece of land that is surrounded by water. It is called island. Students, in the middle of the water, a piece of land is there, no? It is called island. See this picture? A land surrounded by water. What is the next one? Glacier. Students, see this picture? This is a glacier. Glacier. A mass of ice that moves slowly down a valley. A mass of ice that moves slowly down a valley. Glaciers are made up of fallen snow. Glaciers are made up of fallen snow that over many years compresses into large thickened ice masses. Glaciers form when snow remains in one location long enough to transform into ice. Students, glaciers are made up of fallen snow. Fallen snow that over many years compresses into large thickened ice masses. Glaciers form when snow remains in one location long enough to transform into ice. It is called glacier. What is the next one? What is the next one, students? Valley. See this picture, students. This is the valley. The lowland between two mountains. Between two mountains or hills, which often has a river flowing through it. It's called valley. Students, the lowland between two mountains or hills, which often has a river flowing through it. It is called valley. It will be the terms. The terms U shape and V shape are descriptive terms of geography to characterize the form of valleys. What is the next one? Mountain. What is mountain? A mountain is a large landform that rises above. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak. A mountain is generally considered to be steeper than a hill. Steeper than a hill. Mountains are formed through tectonic forces or volcanism. These forces can locally raise the surface of the earth. See this picture, students. A mountain is a large landform that rises above. See this picture. It is called mountain. What is the next one, students? River. What is the next one? River. See this picture, students. This is a river. A large natural flow of water that goes across land and into the sea. A large natural flow of water that goes across land and into the sea is called river. A river is a natural flowing water course, usually fresh water flowing to a zone. What is the last one, students? Yes, lake. What is the last one? Lake. What is lake? A large area of water that is surrounded by land is called lake. See this picture, students. A large water is surrounded by land, so it is called lake. That's all, students. Let's read the spelling one by one. Okay. First one is volcano. Say the spelling. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. Next one, desert. Say the spelling of desert. D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert. Next, read the spelling of oasis. O-A-S-I-S. Oasis. Read the spelling of plain. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Next, read the spelling of island. I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. Next, glacier. What is the spelling of glacier? G-L-A-C-I-E-R. Glacier. Next, mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Next, valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. What is the next one? River. What is the next one? River. Say the spelling of river. R-I-V-E-R. River. What is the last one? Lake. Say the spelling of lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Okay students, read once again. Volcano, desert, oasis, plain, island, glacier, mountain, valley, river and lake.